What's up, weirdos? We got a pretty big start to our broadcast day, man. We got a new listing for Jasmine going on. We got we got Zebec fighting a South Korean exchange over a delisting debate. We have a massive partnership announcement for Zebec and so much more, guys. Let's dive into it. So Jasmine down 0.3% on the day, 7.5 on the week, 28.5 on the month, and 43 on the year. We're even in rank at 97, $619 million market cap, 50 million in volume. Swiftcoin down 2.7% on the day, 2.1 on the week, 30.2 on the month, but up 95% on the year. Down 3 spots on rank to 329, $106 million market cap, 1.47 million in volume. Right, where's XCN? There it is. Down 3.8% on the day, 7.2 on the week, 31 on the month, but up 268% on the year. Down 6 spots in rank to 150, a $353 million market cap, 23 million in volume. And Zebec's looking nice and green today, 2.2% up, 1.5% up on the week, 36.5% down on the month. We're up 3 spots in rank to 406, a $76 million market cap, 11 million in volume. Let's go have ourselves a look over at the Bitcoin chart, shall we? Actually, you know what we're going to do? Yeah. Let's look at the Bitcoin chart. All right. So, like I said, guys, another lower close yesterday. And here we are today, sitting at 87,000 even. We got as low last night as 85,800 before wicking back up. Will we close today's daily candle below yesterday's and continuing to then put in lower lows? We'll see. We shall see. Death cross is played out, so that's all good. We've got that over with. Like I said, guys, if you're new here, once we start closing daily candles below this level here at $82,000, we're gonna make a move down between 69 and 74K down here, just temporarily. Got to sweep those lows, right? It's a good buying opportunity. And listen, if you want to invalidate that, if you don't want that to happen, then we have to start closing daily candles above this level here at 91K, right? That's what I'm looking at for the Bitcoin. The next couple of moves on Bitcoin, as most of you guys know, and if you'll bear with me here, if we jump over to as we've been tracking the Bitcoin chart with the M2 money supply, right, dictates, as you can see, the correlation between Bitcoin's price and the M2 money supply. The next move dictates a move down through April. This will be our move down between 69 and 74K right here. This is April. Okay, that's your month of April. So April to me looks like it's going to be a month of phenomenal dollar cost averaging. A great opportunity before we finally lift off. As you can see, what happens immediately after April, as of May 4th, we start our ascent to the upside. Now, the big question here now is this area right here. This is what we need to watch next, right? Because as we can see, it's started to take, the M2 money supply started to take a little bit of an uptick here. So what's going to be interesting to see how this plays out, now keep in mind we're back here, right, is the M2 money supply going to bounce, maybe have a double top before coming down, or go higher, or is it going to just roll over? And will this roll over here, this would represent to me the summer doldrums, the proverbial sell in May, walk away, but doesn't necessarily have to be in May, right? What it looks like is shaping up here, if we're going to continue to follow the M2 money supply, which I don't see a reason why we wouldn't, Like I said, we come down for April. We start making our move up through May. We top in June here, as you can see. Now, this will very likely depend on what happens right here next, obviously. If we do continue to come down here on the M2 money supply, that would indicate to me that through July and August, we're going to see that summer dump that that we anticipate every year, followed by whatever comes after that. We'll have to keep watching, right? But right now, it's going to do a little bit of an uptick here. Is it going to form a bit of a double top? That would be interesting. Or is it just going to continue to roll over? We'll have to see what happens. But Bitcoin following behind it very nicely. Next move is a move down towards that 69 to 74K level. So we can have an opportunity to buy in, right, through the month of April. That's what I'm looking forward to here. So, all right, let's get into some of the news, shall we? All right, so what is on the docket here? Well, first off, Zebec Foundation says, Zebec HQ and our legal team in Korea have challenged BitHub, and strongly dispute its recent announcements and intent to delist Zebec. Our Korean community and the exchange that serves it is extremely important to us. As such, we're committed to pursuing every available avenue under regional and international law to resolve this matter. Following BitHub's inquiry, we submitted a comprehensive response, likely one of the most extensive ever provided to an exchange. It significantly exceeded standard listing and compliance requirements. We respectfully request that BitHub official conducts a thorough and thoughtful review of our submitted documentation before finalizing their decision regarding Zebec. So, doing everything they can to prevent the delist from BitHub, guys. We'll see how this goes. We'll stay on top of it. I love the enthusiasm. I love what they're doing. I'm here for every little bit of it, guys. I'm here for every little bit of it. Continuing on that path, though, guys, with this. All right, Zebec Carbon, the world's first reloadable, zero fee, and fully private crypto debit card. Check it out.
What if there was a card that freed your crypto to be spent anywhere in the world? What if it took seconds to activate and had no lengthy forms or endless approvals, just your wallet and a tap? And what if that card harnessed the power of the US dollar so you could spend 150 plus tokens across 8 major chains in an instant? Imagine a card that puts privacy first with no complicated hurdles to jump through. A card that's reloadable, fee-free, and accepted on the MasterCard network worldwide. Now stop imagining, because that card is here. Introducing Zebec Carbon, proudly made in America, powered by USD, and built to give you the freedom to spend your crypto everywhere. Zebec Carbon, the future of everyday spending, now in your hands.
Man, am I glad that we got in early on this project over on the Patreon, guys. Holy smokes, it is becoming a beast unlike any other. Speaking of listings, though, like we talked about, got a brand new listing here for Jasmy, as you can see. Triv Exchange, new listings, Jasmy, Litecoin, OM, Bell, and LDO spot listings. So there you go, guys. You'll love to see that. There you go. Very, very bullish. And also, little curveball for you guys here. We have Natix. We have some Natix updates for you. Boom, big partnership for Natix. Natix is happy to announce its partnership with ArcGreen Network, the DPIN building a solar-powered community. They're a Web3-enabled data network for distributed renewable energy resources, promoting a carbon-neutral Earth. There you go, guys. Massive new partnership. But it doesn't stop there with the Natix news, guys. Natix is a massive gem on the Solana network we found on the Patreon, guys, months ago that we've been accumulating. Check this out. We can't, from Natix Network as well, we can't wait to enable AI models and machines to navigate and interact with the world more precisely through our partnership with OVR Realty. Check it out.
So ride-sharing companies for micromobility have a big problem because they need to relocate their asset, their scooters and their e-bikes very precisely in space to actually check the parkings, because if they don't park it correctly, they're going to be fined by the city. So the problem is that, of course, they are limited with GPS. GPS doesn't have the precision to actually check the parking. So our data will be used to actually relocate in space to check if the scooter is parked correctly, while the data from Natix can be used to actually understand where they are in space when the GPS is not good enough. So, for example, the combination of these two data together will build a value proposition that we can actually monetize very quickly.
Guys, Paul Barron Network starting to cover Natix as well. Listen, guys, this is what I've been telling you for a long time. You want to get over to the Patreon. Why? Because we get in so early on these projects. We've been finding these projects. People are just starting to talk about it now. Paul Barron Network's just starting to talk about it now. We've been invested in Natix for months. We've been invested in Zebec for months. We made a 3,000% return on XCN Onyx coin because we got into it in March of last year, right? That's what we do. You're supposed to be getting in early on these projects, guys. You're not supposed to be getting into them when these big channels like Paul Barron Network starts talking about it, right? It's too late. It's too late. You've missed the boat already, right? While you're just getting into it, us over on the Patreon, we're up 3,000%. And we're selling to you while you're buying because some bigger channel's talking about it, right? So get over to the Patreon, guys. This is not difficult. You can either get in early on these plays, or you can buy later and be exit liquidity for us who bought in months ago, right? So it's really not complicated, guys. So that's very, very bullish stuff, guys. Natix making a splash as well. Natix, by the way, guys, partners with the likes of Tesla, Amazon, Google, Solana, Peak, so on and so forth, guys. Massive, massive stuff. All right. Again, check it out for yourselves. Shout out to the channel sponsor, Decent self-custody wallet, guys. Get yourself one today. Don't leave your money dangling on the internet for someone to come along and scoop up on you, because there is no recourse. If you get hacked, your money's gone. Exchanges are not responsible for reimbursing you. Hold your crypto on your self-custody wallet. Be safe. Don't get hacked. Again, guys, get over to the Patreon. Shout out to them, everybody over there, guys. One of the largest crypto communities there are in the entire space. We are live over there every single evening. We drop gem videos every single day. Got another gem video coming out there this afternoon. You don't want to miss out on that. You can book one-on-one coaching calls with me personally. I will be starting to book April's coaching calls up either today or tomorrow. So make sure you get over there, guys. Get your spots booked in. They're not going to last long, guys. Usually they fill up within an hour. So get over there, get your spot booked in before there are none. And yeah, check it out for yourselves, guys. Listen, it's the price of a Happy Meal. You got nothing to lose and everything to gain. These other channels are charging you over $100 to $1,000 a month. And you're going to get 10 times more quality here than you are over there for a fraction of the price, for the price of a Happy Meal. So check it out for yourselves, guys. If you don't like it, all you lost was a Happy Meal. But I promise you two things. One, you're going to learn to be a better trader and investor in this space without any of the moon boy BS. I have someone in the White House, or I have someone, I know people in, government agencies. These content creators that lie about this stuff. Like, I have all these connections, and but no, you don't. You're a crypto guy on YouTube. Shut up, right? So listen, guys, you're going to learn far more here. That's going to be real information, not conspiracy moon boy crap, and you're going to do it for a fraction of the price. All right. So check it out for yourselves, guys. Like I said, nothing to lose, everything to gain. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one.